How to recover AOL Mail account. Start by going to the AOL sign-in helper page on your browser. Enter your recovery email address or mobile number linked to your account and then click Continue. AOL will send you a verification code to your recovery option, so check your phone or email and enter the code when prompted. Once verified, you'll be able to reset your password and create a new one to regain access. If you no longer have access to your recovery options, follow the on-screen steps to try alternate methods that AOL provides. It's important to make sure your new password is strong and unique to protect your account. After resetting, log back into AOL Mail with your updated credentials to confirm everything is working. To avoid future issues, consider updating your recovery details in your account settings so you'll always have a way to get back in if you forget your password again. And that's how to recover your AOL Mail account. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.